Welcome to the Loreal Future Talent Education Programme. In this intermediate series, we will cover cutting hair using basic techniques. Within this video, you will learn how to cut a uniformed layer. Discuss the desired outcome with a consultation. Talk to the client about their desired look. Determine the length they would like and overall look they desire. Assess the client's hair texture, density, and condition. Consider any previous treatments or damage. Understand the client's lifestyle. Consider the client's face shape to determine the most flattering length and style. Prepare your client with the appropriate personal protective equipment for the service. Sterilize your equipment before use. The first thing to do is to make sure you have all the correct equipment ready on your trolley. To avoid injury and maintain comfort for both you and your client, ensure correct body positioning and be aware of your body posture. Why we do it. Uniform layers add balance and evenly distribute volume in the hair. Use sectioning clips to divide the hair into 4 equal sections, 2 at the front and 2 at the back, creating a quadrant. Create a parting from the middle of the forehead to the nape, and another parting from ear to ear over the crown. Clip each section securely to keep them separated. Release one of the back sections at the nape to begin. Comb the hair straight down to ensure it is smooth and tangle-free. Club cut the baseline, considering the appropriate tension needed for the hair texture you are working with. Curly hair needs less tension than straighter hair. Now, working in vertical sections from the crown, find your previously cut guide and continue to cut at 90 degrees. Make sure to maintain even tension and consistent length. Continue to work down towards the nape. The important rule is to keep the hair at 90 degrees from the scalp at all times to create a uniform layer. You may need to angle your fingers to accommodate the curve of the scalp. Be conscious of keeping correct body posture. Take your next vertical section. Ensure you have your previous section as a guide and clip the remaining hair away. You can now see the shape forming. Continue around the back sections, ensuring symmetry. Continue until you meet the section finishing behind the ears. Remember to keep checking your length using your comb as a tool. Once you are happy with the shape, you can move to the sides. Find your guide from the back and continue to cut at a 90-degree angle. It is important to keep moving your body with each section to ensure no over-direction. The body position needs to be directly behind the section taken. Keep your sections neat and move towards the hairline. Now, continue to the other side using your guide from the back and ensuring symmetry. Finishing touches. Cross-check the hair for balance. For curly hair, pull the hair at different points to check for consistency in length. Adjust as needed. Dry and style the hair as the client prefers. This will help to reveal any inconsistencies in the cut that need further adjustment. Once dry, perform a final check for symmetry and balance. Cut any stray hairs for a flawless finish and continue to style the hair as the client desires. A spiral curl tongue works beautifully on this texture of hair. By following these steps, you can successfully learn to cut a uniform layer. Continue your education journey by completing the Cutting Hair Using Basic Techniques unit. To discover more resources, go to the Future Talent page on Loreal Access. This dedicated page will support you in your educational hairdressing journey.